Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Amy, and we're both interns here at Northern Nevada Ray Family Foundation. And today we are going to be walking you through a sheep snack.
So the supplies you'll need are 1 marshmallow, 2 graham cracker halves, 8 pretzels, and mini chocolate chips.
Or big chocolate chips, or a Hershey bar. Really, all you need is chocolate, and you all have that in this bag.
And you also need frosting and a spoon.
So, first, we are going to be putting frosting on our graham crackers. Now, our graham cracker is already broken, which you can see. If your graham cracker is not broken, you should break it in half so that you can have 2 different sheep. Then you are going to be taking your spoon and about half of the frosting and putting it onto your graham cracker. This is going to help everything stick to it. Just smear it around like so. And you'll do the same with your other graham cracker as well. So take some more of the frosting and smear it on here. Okay. So now both of our graham crackers have frosting on them. Next, we are going to be taking our marshmallows. Some of you will have mini marshmallows and some of you will have a big marshmallow like us. If you have mini marshmallows, you're just gonna kind of place them on. If you have a big marshmallow like us, you're going to rip it up and then place it on. So I'm just gonna rip this up first. And it's gonna get a little sticky, but don't worry, it will taste so good. Now, if you have mini chocolate chips like us, you are going to be making a body, like a little head, I guess, out of the chocolate chips. If you have Hershey squares, you will be breaking your 4 squares in half, so you have 2 squares connected and then 2 squares connected, and that will be your head. And then if you have regular sized chocolate chips, you will also be making a body similar to ours. Okay, so I've ripped up my marshmallow. We're going to take the mini chocolate chips and just put them all together in one spot. You might have extra chocolate chips. If you do, that's okay. You can eat them. And make sure you put the chocolate chips on both of your graham crackers because both of your sheeps need heads. Just like this. All right, so I have some leftover chocolate chips, so I will definitely be eating those later. Next, you're going to take your marshmallow and you're going to put it on, and this is going to represent all of the fluffy wool that sheep have. Try to do it about even for each one. And you can put them wherever you want. They should stick pretty well to the frosting. Now you might be thinking, these don't really look like sheep, but don't worry, we're not done yet. We have all of our marshmallow on, and we have the blocks for where our faces are going to be. Next, we're going to take the pretzels and we're gonna put them on like little legs. So you're gonna have 4 little pretzels, like so, on both of your sheep. And they should just stick to the frosting. If they're not sticking to the frosting and you have some extra frosting in your cup, go ahead and put more frosting on so that they can stick to it. So there's our sheep with our legs. And then the last step is we're gonna take some of the frosting and we're gonna put it in little globs here, and it's gonna be the eyes. There's one eye, and there's the second eye. And then we're going to do it on the other side. One eye, and then the second eye. Just like so. And if you want, you can make your sheep a one-eyed pirate. Okay, there we are. So these are our sheep. I hope yours turned out good and you really enjoyed this snack.